In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos in Confluence. If you want your workspace to feel on-brand and professional, adding a logo to your space is a quick win. Before we start, make sure you have space admin permissions for the space you're working in. Only space admins can add or change logos. This process keeps your space recognizable for teammates and guests. First, open the space where you want the logo to appear. In the sidebar, click the gear icon to open space settings. Depending on your Confluence version, look for either look and feel or sidebar, header and footer. Both lead you to the place where the logo lives. If you don't see these options, you're likely not a space admin, so check with your administrator. By the way, if you need to access Confluence or set up an account, I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct sign-in page quickly. Next, in the logo section, choose Upload or choose File. Select your image file. PNG, JPG or SVG all work well. PNG and SVG are great for crisp edges, and a transparent background helps the logo sit cleanly on the header or sidebar. Aim for a size that fits your theme without overwhelming it. A wide horizontal mark usually works better in headers, while a simpler square mark can suit sidebars. Keep the file reasonably optimized so pages load fast. After selecting the file, apply your changes by clicking Save or Update. Now preview your space. Look at the header or sidebar where the logo should appear. If it looks stretched, pixelated or cropped, swap in a different size or format and save again. Refresh the page to clear any caching, and if your site has light and dark themes, check contrast so the logo remains legible. If you want branding on individual pages, open the page editor and insert the logo directly with the Insert Image option. You can resize and align it to the left, center, or right, and place it in headers, footers, or within content sections to reinforce your brand consistently without clutter. Finally, preview both the space and a few representative pages on desktop and mobile to confirm the logo displays correctly across devices. If your organization maintains brand guidelines, keep padding and color contrast consistent with those standards for a polished look. Tweak size or alignment as needed, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy branding in Confluence.